Sunny Wee here for an unboxing of the brand new Xbox One. Let's get into it.
Alright, I just cut the plastic tabs off and now we are gonna open. So once we're in here, we are greeted right away with the Kinect. See if I can get an angle. That's just right. Right here we have the brand new Kinect, and here I imagine we get paperwork. But I thought some usual Xbox stuff. And alright, let's get into this. Got some Xbox One manual stuff. And the first thing we have right here is the headset that comes with every Xbox. The brand new Xbox One controller. Wow. There we go. Xbox controller. Feels really nice. I've actually preferred over the PS4 controller. I've got my hands on one of them. It was alright. Alright, got some batteries. And here, they're giving an HDMI cord. That's pretty nice. Thank you. And here's some usual power brick stuff. Wow, is this thing huge. Let's see if I can get this real quick. Oh, look at that brick. That is ginormous. Wow. Alright. And now let's get into this Kinect. This right here. And right here we have the brand new Xbox One Kinect. Very nice. Alright, and now time for the pizza resistance. We have the new Xbox One waiting for us. So right here is the Xbox One. And let's take this thing out. Wow, this thing is way bigger than I expected it to be. Got these padded protectors, and here we go. Wow. That's amazing. Stuff over, and right here is the Xbox One. Right here we have the disk tray, some stuff. We have a USB, and here's where all the magic is. For this new Xbox, there's actually an HDMI in, and you'll be able to connect PS3, Xbox 360, wherever you want to that in. And you can just snap right to your Xbox or PS3, Wii, whatever you got. As long as it has HDMI, you're good. And we actually have two HDMIs in the back, Ethernet, HDMI, like I said. And we have lots of grills for cooling. It's pretty light for actually how big it is. It's not that heavy. And yeah.
Thank you for watching my unboxing of the Xbox One. I'll have pricing and availability in the description, and comment, like, subscribe.